Hi, eSparkers! Congratulations on completing your first quest. You are well on your way to becoming expert counters and master mathematicians. In your next quest, you will be learning how to count different amounts of objects. There will be three main topics covered in this quest. The first skill you will learn is how to pair one number to one object. This is called one-to-one correspondence. Let's look at the picture of apples. Above the number 1, there is the first apple. Number 2 is the second apple. The number 3 has the third apple above it. 4 has the fourth apple, and 5 has the fifth apple. There are 5 apples total in the group, but each apple is only assigned one number. The second math skill you will learn is that no matter what order the objects are in, the last number stated represents the total of the group. Let's look at the apples in the apple tree. If we start on the left, we count 1, then to the middle apple, 2, and then to the apple on the right, 3. We know that there are 3 apples because 3 was the last number I said. Let's see if the number changes when we count the apples in a different order. Let's start in the middle. The middle apple is 1. The right apple is 2, and the left apple is 3. There are still 3 apples because 3 was the last number stated. It does not matter what order you count them in. And finally, the third skill you will learn is that when counting by ones, the next number in the sequence is one more than the number before it, or plus 1. Let's look at the stars. Above the number 1, there is 1 star. Above the number 2, there are 2 stars, or there is one more star than in the group of 1. For the number 3, there are 3 stars, or there is one more star than the group of 2. Above the number 4, there are 4 stars, or there's one more star than the group of 3. Now, eSparkers, you might be asking yourselves again, why are these skills important? Well, these 3 skills answer 3 important questions. The first question is, how will I know if there's enough for everyone? So you may have a group of friends over and you want to give everyone a cookie. How will you know if you have enough for everybody? You need to assign a number to each cookie. So let's count the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cookies in the group, and we know this because we assigned each cookie a number. So that means that we have 7 cookies. We can have 7 friends over. The second question is when objects move from place to place, you want to know how many are there now. There's students sitting on the rug. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 students on the rug, and we know this because 5 was the last number I stated. If those students move and sit at their desks, they will be in a different order. But if we count them again, it will still be 5 because 5 will be the last number said. And finally, when we have a certain amount of items and we need one more, we ask the question, how much do I need? So if we had a birthday party and we have balloons, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I needed one more balloon, I would know that that would be 6 because we talked about sequencing numbers and one more is just like counting in order. So it would be 6 balloons. eSparkers, I hope you think about all of these questions as you complete your challenges in this next quest. Good luck and have fun!